Moving homes in the UAE. Let Baxter Shipping make your transition smooth and stress-free. At Baxter Shipping, we handle all the details of your move, from packing to transportation, so you can focus on what truly matters. We are residential moving specialists offering tailored solutions with efficient and timely service, careful handling, and expertise in both international and domestic moves. We begin with a thorough consultation to understand your needs, then create a customized plan to meticulously handle every detail from packing to transportation. Our skilled packers handle your belongings with care, using high-quality packing materials to ensure they arrive at your new home in pristine condition. Based on the consultation, we create a detailed moving plan that outlines the packing, transportation, and delivery process. Our well-maintained fleet ensures your belongings are safely transported to any local or international destination. Our team ensures safe transportation, prompt unloading, and setup, making your new house feel like home from day one. We pride ourselves on exceptional service and peace of mind during your move, supporting you every step of the way. Contact Baxter Shipping today for a free quote and let us take the stress out of your relocation. With clear communication and a tailored plan, we ensure a smooth, stress-free move, letting you focus on settling into your new home. Trust Baxter Shipping, your reliable partner for seamless residential moves.